Discover the enchanting world of classical music with Apple Music Classical. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of Apple Music Classical. We'll explore how you can gain access to this incredible app. This video is specially for classical music lovers. So now, let's get started. Have you ever wanted a specific platform custom-made especially for exploring classical music? Apple has now provided a one-stop solution for the same. Introducing Apple Music Classical, the platform you've been waiting for. Earlier, this music app was only available on iPhones. Now it has made the transition to Android smartphones. This is great news for classical music enthusiasts as it gives them a reason to celebrate. But what sets Apple Music Classical apart from its sibling app, Apple Music? The significant difference lies in how the metadata is managed. Apple Music Classical has a unique approach to managing metadata. This approach is customized to the needs and demands of classical music. The goal is to ensure a seamless and enriching listening experience for its users. To gain access to Apple Music Classical app, a subscription to Apple Music or Apple One will be necessary. Once you attain the access, prepare to immerse yourself in the world of classical music like never before. Apple Music Classical provides ad-free recordings and also offers premium audio quality. The audio quality supports up to 192 kHz/24-bit lossless audio and also features spatial audio technology. It will give you the exalted feeling of being right in the midst of a live performance. Apple Music Classical has an enormous library featuring over 5 million tracks. It also includes curated playlists along with exclusive albums. That's not all. Apple Music Classical also offers a wide variety of other additional features. This includes composer biographies, deep dive guides for keywords, intuitive browsing features, and much more. It is undoubtedly a treasure trove that holds significant value for classical music aficionados. This is because it provides them with an exceptional collection of classical music that is sure to captivate and delight them. Apple demonstrates a detailed understanding of the profound importance of classical music as they collaborate with proficient classical music artists and institutions, forging a close partnership. This collaboration enables Apple Music Classical listeners to access an extraordinary array of unique and exclusive content and recordings. As a result, their classical music experience is further enriched, which fosters a deeper appreciation for the genre. You'll be treated to a world of musical excellence right at your fingertips. And there you have it. The introduction of Apple Music Classical for Android has made the world of classical music more accessible and captivating than ever before. To embark on this musical journey, simply download the app today and prepare to witness the symphonies unfold before your very ears. Wishing you a delightful and harmonious listening experience.